Alright, let's go ahead and get in a couple of these real quick here. It says my battery's low, so we'll see what we can get through. I have been absolutely ice cold on blasters lately. Like ice cold. So let's hope my luck improves by being live. But I doubt it. Oops, sorry, Steph. If any of you guys got any questions or anything, go ahead and just throw it up in the old chat there. We will go until the battery dies. Not realize my battery was just low. I thought I just charged this. Let's get some base. 80 green, not bad. And a Junk Hall of Fame. I assume you guys are pretty familiar with this stuff by now, so we're not going to spend a lot of time on base. And green Mosaic inserts. Got Game Blake. And Admiral Schofield. Well, slow start here. I guess the 80 green's not terrible. I hate that they put the rookie on the back. Like, spoilers. Base and Sabonis. Womp womp. And, of course, an NBA debut. Not even a real rookie. Old Terrence Mann. And just a junk insert. Trying to keep my pile straight. Base. What? What? 3-card pack? Are you kidding me? Panini, you're killing me. Yep, 3-card pack. No insert or color. Sweet. This is a good start. Best card so far, green 80. All right, well, we got all our cards this time. But absolutely nothing good. So far, Blaster 1 sucks. We got no hits. We got a Ja, but NBA debut Ja. Fake Ja. $3 Ja. What's our green? Oh, this looks like Greek Freak. Greek Freak. Not too bad. No print lines or nothing. So we got two good that color. That's about it. So one pack with shorter card. Spectacular. It's the first time I've had that happen. I butchered this pack. Good Lord. Oh, we got a silver Mosaic. Okay. Looks like an insert, an old school maybe? Yeah, old school Mari. Kind of a whiff. Well, not kind of a whiff. It is a whiff. So our best cards in that blaster were 2 vets. Could do worse if you're going to hit vets. Those are the 2 to hit, I guess, other than LeBron. All right, let's get into number 2. If you guys watching could do me a favor, if you guys sub, it'd be great. Throw some subs on the old channel. All right, let's try to get through the second blaster before this little battery indicator light blinks out on me. So if I randomly disappear, that's what happened. Hopefully the second blaster is better than the first. The first sucked. All right, we got a green Mosaic, vet, and a fake rookie of RJ. That's what I call the debuts, fake rookies. And nothing good here or there. Terrence Davis base, it's not like terrible, not great. Got my piles all mixed up. We are a mess. We have a silver Mosaic. It is upside down for some reason. But it's just a Josh Hart. Got me excited there with the upside down card. These aren't nice looking. Definitely prefer not Josh Hart though. And then a Charles Barkley. So I think this stuff is about to be really hard to find. I know a lot of people are like, duh, it's already really hard to find, but I think it's about to be. I think restocks are about done on this stuff. Jam Masters Tracy. Wrong Pelican. I've been to 4 targets so far this week. Grand total of 5 blasters in the restocks. So I believe she's starting to run dry. Got a rookie. It's red. Terrence Mann. Ugh. And Harden in that ugly ass suit. All right, we got a silver. Silver NBA debut. Who do we got? PJ Washington. There are worse people you could pull. That's not too bad, Romeo. I'm gonna sleeve this real quick because these silvers are notorious for dinging, denning, and scratching and everything else. So, oh, shocking, a Mosaic surface issue. You see that right there? Nice big old indent straight from the pack. So that's cool. So our nice silver rookie has a nice big ding in it. And CJ and fake rookie Eric Paschal. And a base Luka, which out of these 2 blasters, that's actually probably considered a hit. Kevin Gailey. Well, those first 2 sucked. We're going for third because, nah, I can't end on that. We got to get something good. Hope this battery holds out. This is kind of a spur of a moment thing, but I thought this had more charge in it than this. All right, let's see what happens. All right, we got a green Chatty. And a debut fake rookie Pascal. We need something to turn the luck around, boys. It looks like we got a green insert. Harden, will to win. And Kevin Gailey. NBA debut green. Cam Johnson. More fake rookie color. Can we pull one good card? Please. Nothing. 4 packs left. Green. Markel. And fake rookie Jared Culver. Is the base insert, James Harden. And so that's awesome. You guys see that right there? The mark right there. It's glue. Glue from the back of the card in front of it. Right there. Thank God that was nothing good. Silver Mosaic. J. Rich. Last one. We need a monster. Because this stuff all sucked. All right. DeAndre Hunter on the back. Not great. And a base insert in the middle. I got game. So, those 3 blasters. Our best 2 pulls were these. I guess end this. Where'd it go? Got a mess here. Those were our 3 best pulls out of 3 blasters. And these 2 were out of the same blaster. These 2 vets. And this has a ding in it. So that was sweet. All right, I'm going to check out of here before this battery dies. Like I said, shoot a sub. We'll catch you guys later.